What is a document in DocHopper? Well, first of all, a document is a simple line in the grid. The grid is the center part of your main screen right here. Anytime I select another line in the grid, I automatically load a full preview of its content right here. So what is a document? Well, maybe the best way to understand what a document is to start with the list of annexes. Annexes are files or websites that can be classified under a single document. So that means that as many files or websites as you want can be classified under one single document, and all the annexes that are associated to one document are present here in the list of annexes through which I'm scrolling right now. As you can see, those annexes can have many different kind of extensions. It can be HTML, it can be JPEG, it can be TXT, it can be PowerPoint presentation, Word documents, HTML, PDFs, and the list goes on and on. You can even have files that cannot be previewed. For example, this is a .rar. That means that the file is saved in DocHopper's database, but of course it cannot be previewed right now. So, just to summarize, one document can have as many annexes as you want. It can also have no annexes or simply one annex, in which case, let's take this document, Orfeo Solutions website. You can see that the list of annexes here has disappeared. Why is that? Well, because there's only one annex, in which case DocHopper considers that it doesn't need to show the list of annexes. The comments part takes the whole width of the control, and the single annex is automatically previewed right here at the lower right hand side of your screen. So that's the first component of a document. A document in DocHopper is a list of annexes. The second component is right here at the upper right hand part of your screen, and that's all the metadata. One document in DocHopper, one line from the grid, has a title. Here, full commercial presentation of our company. You can notice that this is also the title that appears right here in the grid. Every document has an author, ratings. The ratings are a numerical evaluation of the quality of the document itself. This evaluation is made by the users themselves by clicking on the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. Every document has a description, which is a simple piece of text that can be freely editable. Every document can have a collection of keywords and comments. The last item that makes a document is the document categories. Document categories right here are a visual, the little icon, and textual identification of the kind of document. You can easily create your own categories in DocHopper. There's going to be a special tutorial about that, and you can very easily change the category of a document simply by clicking on the little down arrow here and selecting any other category that you wish. One last question. Why is it possible in DocHopper to create one document and to associate to that single document more than one file? Where there are many different situations. Let's pick one example. You have been working on one Word document. At a certain time, you decide that that's going to be your version. Somebody else after you is going to work on the same Word document, is going to improve it, make some modification, etc. Then it's going to come back to you and you are going to make a third version of the document. Well, what you want is keep track of all those different versions, but they all belong to the same document. They are all versions of the same document. So what you're going to do is simply annex regularly in your list of annexes the different versions of the same document. That can be one use of the list of annexes. Another use could be, for example, to annex a series of pictures that belong to the same case. You do not want to make one document for each picture. You simply want to bundle all of those pictures into one document. So that was a general presentation of the concept of document in DocHopper. As a quick summary, a document is a collection of annexes that can be many different type of files. Currently, DocHopper allows the automatic preview of up to 50 different kind of file extensions on the one hand, and on the other hand, a document is a collection of metadata that allows you to have a quick overview of the content of the document itself.